ating minamahal na pastor, the spiritual son of Prophet of this nation, Prophet Joman Jaos and Prophet Spirit Jaos. Let us welcome Pastor Eric Piniel. Palakpakan natin ang Panginoon.
O Panginoon, salamat po Panginoon. Wala naman ang aking bibig ngayon kundi ang salitang pasalamat. Salamat for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days that you are so faithful to your children. And today, Panginoon, ito yung first day namin that we're going to celebrate your goodness, your faithfulness. And our mouth shall confess your goodness, your loving and kindness, your mercy that endure forever. At sa pamamagitan ng iyong salita, matutunan ko ang kaliwanagan, ang katotohanan, at ito ang maghahari sa akin, ako'y nabubuhay. As long as I live, my purest desire is to serve unto you, to lead me into the path of righteousness, and I declare my blessing, and I declare my favor, for your name's sake. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Tayo ay preparation. Huwag po kayo matakot. Ano ba yung mangyayari? Ano ba yung mga news sa social media? Huwag po tayo matakot. Dahil lahat po ng bagay, either may nakikita or not, sabi ko nga po, babalik at babalik ang Panginoon. At yung mga salita niya in the book of Revelation, it shall come to pass. But the promise of God, He gonna preserve His people. That's why in the book of Genesis, in the book of Exodus, hindi lang po yan istorya, but it is a pattern. Anong meron tayo ngayon? Amen. Tandaan natin, dumating sila sa Promised Land, from Egypt to Promised Land. Hindi kagad inala ng Panginoon yun. Do you know why, pa? Because in the Promised Land, there is much more worse enemy na haharapin nila. And there are 7 kinds of spirit na doon sa Promised Land. At yung 7 kinds of spirit na yan, ang spirito na yan, until now, yan pinaharap natin. Kaya importante yung connection natin so that we will learn to each other. And herein, Jesus, the Alpha and Omega Ministry, kung bakit nakikita natin mayroong healing, mayroong deliverance, it is because the enemy are exposing. Amen.